I know applying for accommodation can be really nerve-wracking. There's a few things you need to know before applying for accommodation at USW. Hi, I'm Xander. I'm a first-year law student, and I live in student halls on the USW Treforest campus. From February onwards, USW will contact you and invite you to apply for accommodation within 2 weeks of firmly accepting your offer. After this, you'll be asked to confirm the accommodation options that you want, including location, room type, price point, as well as any personal preferences. Within 4 weeks, USW will then contact you asking to secure your room booking via an online payment for either an advanced rent payment or a deposit. Once you get to July, USW will contact you with accommodation information before joining us in September, including your moving in details and dates, parking information, and your room and address details. So USW offers an accommodation guarantee, meaning that you can keep your peace of mind knowing that your student room is 100% confirmed for September. Over the year so far, everyone has been so lovely here. I've really liked living in this accommodation. I really love my flatmates. They've definitely been a big help for me. I've found people that have made me feel at home here. You know, I've definitely made some friends for life here at university.